Hello and welcome to the clubhouse. Yes, I have product to open. I treated myself to 2 boxes of Topps Knockout Women's Champions League cards. And I'm just going to crack on with it, really. Hoping, of course, for an Arsenal autograph. Because there's I think autographs land at 1 and 2 boxes. So fingers crossed I beat the odds and get 2 out of 2. Let's bring that up a bit. There we are. So we got 4 packs per box. Oh, there is a Beth Mead on the back here, so that's always a good start. Alexia Putellas of Barcelona to kick things off. There's the back of the card, star player she is. Mariona Caldente, Camelia Cesar, Caitlin Ford, excellent. Oh, and a numbered Beth Mead. 18 of 25. I am very, very pleased with that. Must be a purple parallel. Delighted with that. That will be staying in my collection. So, first pack down. Already got a great hit. And we're kicking things off well with this pack. Frida Marnham, Eugenie Le Sommer, Clara Boone, Geisa Ferreira, and numbered 1 of 99, Alex Pop, and a green parallel going very nicely with the Wolfsburg kit there. Disappointed, of course, that Wolfsburg knocked Arsenal out, but I'm sure there will be someone for this card, especially in Germany. So I'm going to get a couple of stands out to put the best hits on. So far, of course, that is Mido and Pop. Now it looks like the sort of hit from each pack is at the back, so trying not to reveal that to you guys or myself. There's Linari from Roma. And we've got a Georgia Stanway rookie card. Lovely stuff. Then Lena McGill. Kadisha Buchanan. Well, that's not bad. Sam Kerr autograph card, numbered to 99. Green parallel. Obviously not the player I'd be wanting, seeing as she always scores against us, but nonetheless, what a hit. I could get anything out this last pack and I'd be extremely happy. So let's see, we've got Lena Latvain, or Latvin, rookie card. There's Sam Kerr on her standard base card. Lena Oberdorf, Emily Harvey, and then Frank Kirby. Well, for 1 box, to get what I got out of that, that's really, really good. I'm very, very pleased with that. Look at that, Mido. I am beyond pleased with that. That may well go off for grading. That is sharp as anything. So, nice 1 tops on these. I am chuffed with that. So, next box, it's almost like a bonus box, really, because essentially I've paid for both boxes with these hits. So, let's see who we get. Eva Pager, I'm not sure how to say her name, I'm sorry. Alice Sombath, Sombath, rookie card. Svenja Hood. Caitlin Ford. And a numbered Stina Blackstenius. Oh my goodness. It's all about the Arsenal today, and I am very pleased with that, even if I have got Caitlin Ford double. So, nice one there for Stina. It's almost like a welcome back to the hobby from Topps, this one. So let's see who we get up from this one. Diani from PSG. Karshawi, Sakina from PSG. Sorry, I'm rubbish with names. Fazer rookie card. Zadrazil. And then numbered card 5 out of 25. Lena Latvian rookie card. Another purple parallel. And this time Wolfsburg, so that's my second Wolfsburg parallel. Someone in Germany is going to like me on eBay. Let's see who we've got out of this one. Valentina Giacinti, I'm not sure. Bonmati from Barca. Jean-Francois from PSG, rookie card. Tainara, rookie card, Bayern. And this one is just a base card, Ferreira. So, last pack magic. You never know, might get something else, something big. Who knows? Let's just wait and see. Freedom Warnham. Can't get enough of her. Proteus. Caldenti, I'm getting a bit of deja vu here. Cesar. Not numbered. Oh, Buchanan. So, all in all, pretty decent stuff. So, Arsenal-wise, of course, I've got Mido and Blackstenius numbered cards. And then Warnham and Ford doubles as far as the base goes. So, I'll be looking to trade the doubles, at least for Stina and Mido. I'm not sure of the checklist, to be perfectly honest with you. And then we've got a Georgia Stanway rookie card. And these two numbered Wolfsburg cards, of course, Pop being one of the best players in the world. Nice numbered rookie card. And then the pièce de résistance, as they say. Sam Kerr, numbered to 99 autograph. And of course, coming up later on today, it's the FA Cup final between Man United and Chelsea. Sam will obviously feature. And later in the summer, it'll be the Women's World Cup being hosted by Australia and New Zealand. Of course, Sam Kerr being one of the Matildas, the Australian national team, and getting to play in a home nation tournament, which I'm sure she'll be thrilled with. Well, I'm sure she is, because I saw her interview today on Football Focus. Anyway, thank you all for watching. What an awesome way to come back to the hobby. Take care, and I'll speak to you all again very, very soon. Goodbye.